In 1925, a con man sold the Eiffel Tower twice. Victor Lustig convinced 6 scrap metal dealers that France was secretly selling the tower for demolition. Too expensive to maintain, he claimed. He studied each dealer carefully, found the greediest one, made him feel special. The dealer paid a massive bribe thinking he was getting exclusive access to the deal. Lustig fled to Austria with the money. But here's the crazy part. 1 month later, he returned to Paris and tried the exact same scam on different dealers. It almost worked again. For decades, Lustig ran elaborate cons across multiple countries. He sold fake money-making machines, created complex pyramid schemes, even counterfeited currency. He researched every mark, exploited their greed perfectly, always stayed one step ahead of police. But in 1935, the Secret Service finally caught him. The man who sold the Eiffel Tower twice spent his final years behind bars. Sometimes the most audacious lies are the easiest ones to believe.